Hey everyone, welcome back to American Car Legends. Today, we're diving into a thrilling new ride, the 2027 Ford Focus RS. Ford has always been known for producing cars that excite driving enthusiasts, and the Focus RS has long been one of the most celebrated hot hatches in the world. With the 2027 model, Ford has taken everything that made previous generations special and elevated it to an entirely new level. From its aggressive styling and modern technology, to a turbocharged engine that delivers exhilarating performance. This car is designed for drivers who crave both fun and precision on the road. The moment you lay eyes on the 2027 Focus RS, you can tell this is a car built to make a statement. The exterior has been reimagined with a wider and more muscular stance than before, giving it a commanding presence on the street. Its sculpted lines are sharp, and every curve serves a purpose, whether for aerodynamics or simply to highlight the car's performance pedigree. The front fascia is dominated by a large hexagonal grille that channels air efficiently to the engine, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility, while also giving the car a distinctive and aggressive look. The hood features subtle but purposeful creases, and the front bumper incorporates larger air intakes, hinting at the power hidden under the hood. As you move along the side, the Focus RS exudes athleticism, with flared wheel arches housing 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, wrapped in performance tires designed for maximum grip. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with a large integrated spoiler, twin exhaust outlets, and a diffuser that enhances both style and aerodynamic performance. Ford also offers several signature RS colors, including the iconic nitrous blue, which instantly makes it clear that this is not your average compact hatchback. Step inside, and the 2027 Focus RS continues to impress with a cabin that blends sportiness and refinement seamlessly. The first thing you notice is the pair of Recaro sport seats, designed to provide excellent lateral support during aggressive cornering while remaining comfortable for daily driving. The seats are upholstered in a combination of premium leather and Alcantara, which gives a sense of luxury while maintaining a sporty feel. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and wrapped in soft-touch material, giving you precise control and a performance-oriented feel every time you grip it. Paddle shifters are standard on the automatic version, while the manual option, for purists, ensures that you can enjoy a more connected and engaging driving experience. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and provides vital information such as speed, RPM, turbo boost, and even lap times for those who take their RS to the track. The center console houses a large infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the available B&O sound system ensures that your favorite music sounds exceptional while you're driving spiritedly down the road. The cabin also features dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and ample storage, proving that the Focus RS is not just about raw performance, but also practical usability. When it comes to power, the 2027 Focus RS does not disappoint. It is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 390 lb-ft of torque. This engine can rocket the car from 0 to 60 km/h in just over 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest hot hatches in its class. The transmission options include a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, which provides rapid shifts and a smooth driving experience, or a 6-speed manual for those who crave complete control. The RS also features Ford's advanced all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring, ensuring that power is sent to the wheels that need it most, resulting in exceptional cornering stability and traction in various driving conditions. Suspension and chassis tuning have been optimized for high-performance handling, with adaptive dampers and a limited slip differential that make the car feel planted and responsive. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or pushing it hard on a winding mountain road, braking performance is equally impressive, with large ventilated discs and high-performance calipers that provide consistent stopping power even under demanding conditions. Safety has not been overlooked in the 2027 Focus RS. Ford has equipped this model with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. These features ensure that while the RS is designed for high-performance driving, it also offers peace of mind for daily commutes and long trips. The car has also been reinforced with high-strength steel in key areas, contributing to overall crash protection without adding unnecessary weight that could compromise performance. In terms of pricing, the 2027 Focus RS starts at a competitive figure, considering its performance and technology. While it is a premium offering in the compact hot hatch segment, the value is clear when you consider the combination of power, handling, and features that Ford delivers. Buyers can also choose from several trims and optional packages, allowing them to customize the RS to their specific taste, whether they prefer a more track-focused setup or a version with additional comfort and tech features. Driving the 2027 Focus RS is an experience that brings a grin to your face from the very first turn of the key. The turbocharged engine delivers instant throttle response, and the exhaust note is aggressive yet refined, perfectly matching the car's sporty character. In everyday driving, the RS is surprisingly manageable, with a comfortable ride and responsive steering that makes city driving and parking easy. However, when you open it up on a twisty road, the RS truly shines, with precise handling, exceptional grip, and the ability to carry speed confidently through corners. Whether you're pushing it on a track or enjoying a spirited drive on back roads, the car rewards you with confidence and excitement at every turn. The technology in the 2027 Focus RS enhances the driving experience without being intrusive. The infotainment system is easy to navigate, and the digital cluster ensures that all necessary information is right in front of you. Drivers can even select different drive modes that adjust throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feel to match the driving environment, from daily commuting to aggressive sport driving. Ford has also included track-oriented features such as performance data logging and launch control, making it easier for enthusiasts to extract the most from the car in a controlled environment. Comfort and practicality are not sacrificed for performance. The rear seats provide adequate space for passengers, and the hatchback design ensures that cargo capacity is flexible and usable, whether for groceries, weekend trips, or gear for outdoor adventures. Interior materials are high quality, and attention to detail is evident throughout, from stitching on the seats to the soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors. The 2027 Focus RS also stands out for its customization options. Ford offers a range of packages that allow buyers to personalize their car, from exterior colors and wheel designs to interior trim options and technology upgrades. This ensures that each RS can reflect the personality and driving style of its owner. Overall, the 2027 Ford Focus RS is a remarkable evolution of a beloved hot hatch. It successfully blends raw performance with modern technology, practicality, and style, creating a car that excites enthusiasts while remaining usable for everyday life. The aggressive exterior, driver-focused interior, powerful turbocharged engine, advanced all-wheel drive system, and comprehensive safety features make it a standout in its segment. Whether you're an experienced track driver or someone who simply enjoys spirited drives on winding roads, the Focus RS offers an experience that is hard to match. Its pricing, while reflective of its capabilities, remains competitive and delivers value that is rare in the high-performance hatchback world. In conclusion, the 2027 Ford Focus RS reaffirms Ford's commitment to creating cars that thrill and inspire. It carries forward the legacy of the RS badge with more power, sharper handling, and a level of refinement that ensures it can be enjoyed in a variety of settings. From its striking exterior and high-tech driver-centric interior to its exhilarating performance and practical usability, this car is a complete package for anyone seeking a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Ford has successfully balanced performance, technology, comfort, and safety, making the 2027 Focus RS not only a worthy successor to its predecessors, but also a benchmark in the hot hatch segment for years to come. If you're in the market for a car that delivers excitement, precision, and versatility, the 2027 Ford Focus RS is certainly one to consider. Its combination of turbocharged power, sophisticated handling, and everyday usability makes it a rare gem in today's automotive landscape. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2027 Ford Focus RS. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to American Car Legends for more detailed car reviews, the latest news, and everything you need to know about the hottest cars hitting the market. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.